Hi guys, welcome to another video of Learn Konkani, and today, as you know, we will be doing the Hindi translation of the people Konkani passage. Okay, so let's quickly start with it. मेरे पिताजी आर्मी में हैं. Mozo Papui army asa army मतलब में. Okay, so which we add after army in Konkani is में in Hindi. Okay, so मेरी माँ ट्यूशंस लेती है. Okay, ट्यूशंस लेना और पढ़ना. Okay, that is in Hindi. Same is the case in Konkani. माझी आवय ट्यूशंस घेता. घेव is लेना, right? But in English, conducts tuitions. Okay, so that's the second thing. Then मैं महेश कैसरे का बेटा हूँ. हाँ, महेश कैसरे जो पूत असम. मेरा एक छोटा भाई है. We have seen this in WH questions too. If you haven't seen that, click here. So we have seen how to add the adjective छोटा and बड़ा also. So छोटा भाई छोटी बहन. Okay, बड़ा भाई बड़ी बहन. मुझे बहन नहीं है, मतलब मेरे माता पिता को बेटी नहीं है. ओके, भाका बहना म्हणजे मजा आवय बापांक धुना. ओके, धुना. मेरे पापा एक अच्छे पिता हैं. म्हजो बापू एक बरो भाऊ आसा. वह अपने बीवी और बच्चों का ख्याल रखते हैं. मेरे पिताजी और चाचा उनका ख्याल रखते हैं. So उनका here means दादी एंड दादा. Okay, so you can again say मेरे पापा और चाचा उनका ख्याल रखते हैं, और you can also say पिताजी उनका ख्याल रखते हैं. Right? So you can use two times. So when you refer to your dad, okay, that time you say पिताजी. Right? But when you call your dad, पापा आप यहाँ आइए, ये पापा मुझे आपसे जरूरी बात करनी है. Okay, so when you talk to him or when you call him, you use papa, and the relation is father, right? So पिताजी. So that is the difference. Moza babu is my father or मेरे पिताजी. Okay, and when I call him, I say baba. So that is baba. That is the reason why I wrote baba there. So baba आणि काका त्यांची काळजी घेतात. Okay, घेतात. Or I could also say माझा बापू आणि काका. Okay, माझा बापू आणि माझा काका. I can also say like that. So that is the difference. मेरे पापा. Again here, आवय is a relation. Okay, here in Hindi, ma is also a relation. That means mother and mom. Okay, when you call your mom, please come here. You don't say mother, please come here, right? So ma in Hindi is both a relation as well as when you call your mother, you say ma, right? But in Konkani, आवय is a relation, and I is when you talk to her. Okay, so I can also say माझी आवय आणि काकी तांका मदद करतात. Okay, मेरी माँ और चाची उन्हें मदद करती है. और I can also say आई आणि काकी, okay, तांका मदद करतात. Then मैं मामा के घर जाना पसंद करता हूँ. मामाच्या घरा वचूंक आवडतं. ओके, मेरी मामी अच्छा खाना बनाती है. माझी मामी बरे जेवण बनवता. ओके, सेम राइट. मेरे बड़े भाई मुझे पढ़ाई में मदद करते हैं. म्हजो व्हडलो भाव म्हाका अभ्यासांत मदत करता. Okay, so we are done with the passage. I hope you are understanding whatever I teach you, right? And even the passage thing does work, right? That is what I feel. Do let me know in the comment box how you felt, this idea of mine of getting the passages and letting you understand how the sentence formation is. When it comes to Hindi, it is same, right? You see, only you have to interchange the words with the Konkani words. English, you have to understand the meaning and then translate it. Okay, so here in Hindi it is easy. So prefer Hindi over English. That's it for today. And next we will be having colors. Okay, colors. For that we won't be having any passage because I can't have any passage on colors, right? Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.